Hi friends, Running Kimono here, and I know this is a Walgreens video, but if you are out and about shopping today, make sure to swing by Big Lots. They have one free DVD per account, so it must be a DVD that's $3 or under. And basically, the coupon is on your store card. You just go to the cash register and get the cashier to scan your store card or punch in your phone number on the keypad, and you get one free DVD. So, with Christmas just around the corner, this would make a great stocking stuffer. Throw this on your list, and you got to do this by Sunday, the 24th. Okay, so over at Walgreens, we're doing this in store, and the PUREX liquid detergent is $9.99. This is 150 ounces, so it is like a lot of detergent if you think about it. So it's a huge bottle of it. Now, in your savings insert of October the 17th, there is a $2 coupon. Unfortunately, there is no digital counterpart for this, which is kind of weird because they usually include it, but it isn't. There isn't. So if you got this insert coupon, hey, congratulations, here's a deal for you. We're going to look at it with a register reward here in a second as well. So grabbing one of these for $9.99, subtracting that $2 coupon, it's $7.99. IBOTTA has a $4 cash back when you buy this massive detergent. So it drops it down to $3.99 after everything is said and done. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it if you're just doing this deal on its own. And this is what the Ibotta rebate looks like, and you can do it up to 2 times. So if you really love this detergent, or if you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, you know, this is a very generous detergent rebate. We usually don't see these on Ibotta. So now, if you don't have any coupons, but you do have register rewards because you were going really hard with the Revlon deal earlier this week, here is a different version of the first deal for you. And I don't even have those $2 coupons, so this is something I might do if I want to get in on this deal. So grabbing one of those PUREXs for $9.99. Again, it's that massive bottle, subtracting a $7 register reward. And yes, that does scan at checkout. I used it a couple days ago with some Tide. You'll pay $2.99, get back $4 from Ibotta. I think this is super smart. If you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can also do Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. You're not using a booster with. Absolutely go for it. And yeah, this is just a regular store price of $9.99. So go and make it happen, guys. Okay, guys, so a lot of you are like, well, where's the preview for the 24th to 30th? I'm not holding it hostage. What's happened here is that Walgreens has nothing on their site. Typically, midnight on Wednesdays, that's when these things start popping up, and there was nothing on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, this morning I got in touch with customer service, and the lady on the other end was like, what do you mean it's not there? And I'm like, well, where is it? And she's like, it'll be up within the next 24 to 48 hours. So are they going to put it up on Sunday morning or Sunday at midnight? I do not know. I just know that with this new ad style that's found on one of those apps, I think it's the Flip app, it's hard to read. It's just written in like this weird chunky version where there's like stuff. I can decipher it still. So worst case scenario, I will toss something together, but I'm going to just wait it out. Maybe something will show up by tomorrow. Maybe not. Typically when they have these really big changes over at Walgreens, it happens in the fall. If you remember, they got rid of beauty program in the fall. They got rid of the balance reward system. It also happened in the fall. I think it was like early November. So are they going to just put the ad out on Sunday morning? I do not know, but there is no paper ad that I could go buy the local newspaper and see it there. It comes from them and it's digital. So I do not know what this is all about. And with the no ad, there is a new month starting on Sunday. So even the Big Book of Savings is not online, which is really weird. But they have the previews for that. And then this is on the Flip app, which is also weird. So we'll just play this one by ear. Let's not get too hyper in the comments because, it could just be a software thing, or maybe, something wasn't correct with the flyer and they had to pull it at the last minute and change it. I do not know. But yeah, we'll just have to play this one by ear, and I'll hopefully have a preview later today or Saturday. I'll try and figure something out. And in my digital coupons folder, this popped up at the very top, which is $5 back when you spend $20. This is valid from the 24th to the 30th, so it's a sneak peek right now, and then it's going to be activated on Sunday morning. And whenever that flyer does show up, I'm going to be excited to look at it. It's just easier to look at it in a flyer format than this weird feed that they have on the Flip app, because I think that little subtleties will be lost as it's a new month, and I just want to see the whole ad. You know how it is. I just want to look at the ad. So we'll make the best out of it. If you definitely have this guy, load it, and we'll just have to play it by ear. What's going on with that darn flyer? And whenever they do changes, it usually happens this time of the year. So maybe they're changing up the date, or who really knows. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.